Hello everyone, today is the day of and only OTC chart available on the market. OTC is an over-counter quote that defies fundamental analysis, but technical analysis is applicable to it and the use of the indicator is acceptable. Therefore, today we will use the awesome oscillator indicator to help technical analysis. This indicator will tell us which volumes are prevailing in the market, up or down. This information in turn will help us analyze the market. An upward movement is expected in the near future. Accordingly, in a similar case, we could open a trade for a raise in an uptrend. When, for example, a red histogram is formed on the indicator, it means that volumes for a fall are growing downward, and in the near future, the price will move down. In this case, we could open a downtrend trade. The indicator may have false signals during the trading zone. That is, such cases can often be when the histogram is either green or red, since there is no pronounced unidirectional movement on the chart. In such cases, we will skip trades. Also, of course, when using this indicator, you should not forget about the support and resistance levels and pay attention to the overall trading case as a whole. Only a competent combination of technical analysis and indicator combined will give us good results. So be sure to watch this video to the end. Today we will find similar working cases and try to make a profit on them. You can also see and understand how I work using the indicator using an example. You might like this trading method and be able to make money using this strategy. Now I suggest we start and find the first entry point. We'll have a resistance level up here. In this case, I suggest that we open a trade for a raise for 1 minute since the price has been steadily moving up and approaching our level lately. At the same time, a green histogram is formed on the indicator and volumes are increasing. It means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. Just at the moment, the price continued to move up and is moving beyond the level. It's quite possible that this level will be broken through soon. We will try to make money on this upward movement, so let's watch the price and wait for the result. The price continued to move up and we just managed to make money breaking through the resistance level. The price has a great potential to increase. The indicator turned out to be right and gave us a good entry point. In combination with technical analysis, this indicator works great. Well, I hope that you have already understood the principle of operation of this indicator, and I suggest we continue trading and find some other working cases. There was a good confident uptrend here, and from a certain point there was a reversal. Red candles began to form. In this case, I suggest opening a trade for a fall for 1 minute. At the moment, the price is moving in the correction zone and a pullback is taking place. At the same time, a red histogram is formed and the volumes are growing downward. We will try to make money on this downward corrective movement, and I hope that 1 minute will be quite enough for us in this case. So let's watch the price and wait for the result. So how do you start trading with me? I trade with my subscribers daily and give them trading signals. I share my experience, show new strategies, and give trading recommendations for free. If you want to learn how to make money, you need to write me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram, and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where we will trade together with you. And most importantly, I don't take money from anyone, don't require any contributions, and don't sell anything. I just share my experience and help you to make money. And now let's continue. The price continued to move down and we made a profit. Once again, we were able to correctly predict the further price movements, and the indicator helped us in this. So let's continue trading and find some other working cases. We'll have a resistance level at the top here, and at the moment the price is approaching this level. The level starts to go beyond it. In this case, I suggest opening a trade for a raise for 1 minute. It's quite possible that this level will be broken through in the near future. At the same time, a green histogram is formed on the indicator and volumes for a raise are increasing. It means that an upward movement is expected in the near future. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 1 minute will be enough in this case. Perhaps we will get into an impulsive upward price movement at the moment of breaking through the level. Let's watch the price and see what happens in the near future. The price continued to move up and we just managed to make money breaking through this resistance level. The price has a great potential to increase here, and the indicator again helped determine the further price movements. So let's continue trading and find some more working cases. We'll have a resistance level at the top here, and there's an uptrend going on at the moment. Mostly green candles are formed. The price is steadily moving up and approaching our level. In this case, I suggest opening a trade for a fall for 3 minutes on the uptrend. It's quite possible that the price will continue to move towards the the level. Our entry point is confirmed by the indicator, a green histogram is forming, and volumes are rising. It means that the price will move up in the near future. We will try to make money on this upward movement. As you can understand, I took 3 minutes to spare, taking into account a possible trading or a pullback down. Since there may be downward pullbacks with confident upward movements, the indicator can react to them and form a red histogram. The indicator reacts to all price movements, but the most important thing is that when using the indicator, you should not blindly trust only the indicator signals. We always take into account the trading case and the overall price potential. This is the only way to correctly predict the further price movements, so let's wait for the result. Half of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to receive more interesting content. Keep up to date with the new strategies and trading methods. Your support means a lot to me. The price continued to move towards the level and we made a profit. 3 minutes was enough for us. Their cases are showing themselves well, so let's continue trading and look at some other working cases. Here we have a resistance level from above. At the same time, the price approached our level with confident green candles. At the moment, there's a slight downward pullback, but in this case, I suggest opening a trade for a raise for 1 minute. It's quite possible that this level will be fully broken through in the near future. We will try to make money on this upward movement as the price has already gone beyond the level. At the same time, a green histogram is formed on the indicator and volumes are increasing. It means that an upward movement is expected in the near future, so let's watch the price and wait for the result. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option because these brokers actually have a license. I can keep large amounts of money on my deposits and not be afraid that they will be stolen, written off, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that, oh, you did not trade honestly. Believe me, this happens, unfortunately. Even now, there's a lot of fraud. The broker's official website is being forged. You can get money there, but it will no longer be possible to withdraw it. Unfortunately, I have already been contacted by many of my followers who stumbled upon such a fraud, but nothing could be done because this is not an official website, but scammers. Therefore, please be careful and register using the link under my video. There is also a promo code in the pinned comment and it gives you 15% bonus on replenishment of the balance. You can use it. And this is also a good plus to start trading. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a comment and press the bell. Let's continue. The price continued to move up and we make a profit. We managed to make money on this movement. The indicator turned out to be right and gave us a good entry point. So let's continue trading. Here we have a resistance level. In this case, I suggest opening a trade for a raise for 1 minute since this level is currently being broken through. The price is steadily moving up. The green candles are forming. We will try to make money on this upward movement. Our entry point is confirmed by the indicator. A green histogram is forming and volumes for a raise are raising. I hope the 1 minute will be enough in this case. So let's watch the price and see what happens here in the next minute. After a slight downward pullback, the upward movement still continues and we make a profit. 1 minute was enough for us and we managed to make money on this upward movement. So let's continue trading and find some more working cases. We have a resistance level at the top and the price is already starting to move beyond it. Here we open a trade for a raise for 1 minute. It's quite possible that this level will be broken through in the near future. We will try to make money on this upward movement. Perhaps we will get into an impulsive upward price movement. At the same time, a green histogram is formed on the indicator and the volumes for a raise are raising. We will try to make money on these upward movements. Let's watch the price and see what happens here in the next minute. This level was broken through and we managed to make money on these upward movements. Meanwhile, I already have 3,500 on my deposit and I suggest opening one last trade for today. Now we will find some other working case and continue. We'll have a level of support here. In this case, I suggest we open a trade for a fall for 1 minute since the price has already gone beyond the level. That is, at the moment, the support level is being broken through. At the same time, a red histogram is forming on the indicator and volumes for a fall are growing. It means that a downward movement is expected in the near future. Perhaps in this case, we will get into the most impulsive downward price movement at the moment of breaking through the level. I think that in this case, 1 minute will be enough. Let's just watch the price and wait for the result. the price continues to move down. That is, the support level was broken through and we made a profit. The price has a great potential for decline. The indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a good entry point. We were able to correctly predict the further price movements, and in the meantime, I would have $6,760 on a deposit, and I suggest we finish our trade for today and fix the profit. All market cases have shown themselves well. With the right approach and some knowledge, this strategy works great. Try to connect these indicators yourself and look for similar cases on the market. Trade and train as much as possible, gain your own experience, and with time, you will definitely succeed. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it and you got some useful information for yourself. Don't forget to get profitable trading signals from me. Send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram, and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where you're going to get money with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, and press the bell. See you soon. Bye bye.